Before I get to the cooking in this cooking video, I'm going to show you a windy day here in Ontonagon. I saw this RZR and it is the smallest truck camper I've ever seen. I don't even know how that thing works, like how you sleep in there. And then I saw the couple that owns it, and that was an older couple, and they had 4 dogs with them. One medium-sized dog, a little smaller, and then 2 little bitty dogs. Again, I don't know how that works at all. That many living things in one space. And now we'll get to the cooking. My standard foil pack, potatoes, onions, and peppers. And then we'll throw it all on the grill. This is another one of those couple small eye round steaks. And it was a tough day to grill because, as I said, it was very, very windy on this day. But you make things work. It's really windy, so I'm trying to make a stop out of this stuff. Plus I gotta switch propane tanks. I'm almost done, but I'm bleeding every little bit out of it. The Char-Broil Grill to Go infrared cooking setup really does a nice job with grill marks. And again, this was a windy day, but you can still have a good time and still enjoy the beauty of a windy day. I don't know if you can tell how windy it is, but it's windy all day long. I edited it out because I whipped you all around. I don't want to jinx like I jinxed yesterday by saying what I said and what happened, so hopefully thinking it's not bad enough. Alright, I'm going to eat and get everything put away. I'm very happy that every night I put the bike, there's the bike, I did ride it today. I put the bike back on the rack and I cover it. And I put the grill away once it cools, obviously. Here we go with the flyover. Those eye rounds, cheaper cuts. I doctored them up with applewood, and there's potatoes and peppers. With the wind blowing out the grill, I think under circumstances, it turned out good. Alright, the grill wasn't getting super hot. Those potatoes are done enough. They're not overdone, but they're not raw. They're good. Little crunch left to them. Now let's try the steak. Alright, again, it's not a fancy cut at all. That's solid medium. This camera doesn't focus that well all the time. It's fine. It'll do. I'm going to eat fast so I can get my other stuff done. Have a great and wonderful day. I should have parked nose into the wind, but what I did is I took one of my floaties and put it there to stop. It would be just the wheel from banging into the post. But the wind just won't stop. I've met 2 people in the last 15, or 3 people, a couple and a single person, in the last 15 minutes from watching the videos. And I'll be terrible and forget the names, but thanks for the kind words. Sorry if I was distracted the second time trying to get this thing together, but hopefully we'll see each other around. So, see, it's still beautiful when it's a windy day. You can take pictures and you can sit there in the wind and still enjoy it. I'm sorry I say have a great and wonderful day a couple of different times in this video. I left them in there to show you. I'm not really sure where videos start and stop sometimes, so the editing process becomes kind of funny. I usually cut those out. But I hope you enjoyed this quick little cooking video and the beautiful sights of Ontonagon, Michigan on beautiful Lake Superior.